Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Banjanda, switch off. So let us coming to the point back. So now I'm entering into further. Coming to the next one. Okay now. So let us come in now. Last class we about to, because there is a lot of disturbance in the last class. So we made you to stop you at 10:30. So I'll go for almost we discussed about what? Line graph, and I hope you comfortably you view that line graph examples. Because I searched in that Jupyter notebook, I just send in the form of what? HTML files. HTML files I send. So might be it is useful to you. So I hope students, you just see students, this is my data in the last session. Come in, ma. This is the data we got it. And this is the examples we discussed it. So here, this data can be taken in the form of what? CSV file you can take, list of list you can take, list of dictionaries also you can take it. Okay now? Now, I hope you are comfortable with the last class example. So I think I need not to, Mr. Dhoni, sir, did not understand HTML format. My dear student, you need not understand HTML there. I said an example in the form of HTML notes. This documentation I send in the form of HTML document instead of PDF file. HTML is not, I'm not talking about HTML. HTML documentation I said. Okay now. So Mr. Dhoni, instead of playing cricket, please play cricket with, please do that. So need not to open with the browser, directly double click on it. No problem. Even in my system also it is coming HTML only. HTML only. Click on that. You are getting like this. Or go to browser and say open file and open that file name. There are a lot of ways are there. I have to explain OS, how to work with the system also means what? How students? So first, before entering into Python, I have to keep it one dummy system in my class. This is monitor, this is CPU, this is RAM, this is a button like that. It's not like that, my dear student, Mr. Dhoni. So instead of playing IPL now, please play with Python. Okay, let us move to the further. Shall I move to the further? Let us go to my line plot. I'll explain for one more CSV file and I will move to the bar graph also. Right. So I'm going to enter into this place. Now I'll move to the further. Last class, we are having some pandas level data sets are there or not? Data sets. I sent lot of data sets for you. Data sets I sent, Google Play Store data sets. All these data sets I sent, and I said so many times from where you need to get this data store. In last class also I said, Ruchita is asking again and again. I don't want to say. Already I said, and I said the data set. If you go to written test also, they will give data set for you. They won't ask buy from anywhere or something else. They'll give data set. Okay now, let us move to the people's data or student data. Just try to take the student marks1.py. Already you know now this marks1.py. This is our Excel data. Okay, students. So for this data, I just want to go for some details. I want to take it. So how do you take it? Let us go to the place and go to the Jupyter notebook. Now I'm going to say how to draw the line graph for data frame data. Normal data, you know how to take it. List of data, you know how to take it. List of dictionaries, you know how to take it. All those stuff. So I want to finish it. Line graph already done. I want to take a data frame now. So let us take this data. How do you take it now? Import pandas as PD, pandas as PD, import matplotlib dot what? PyPlot, PyPlot as PLT. Now take it. Here I am going to take it. df is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. Let me increase some font. Read underscore CSV. There I will take up that entire address. Hmm. So go to this place, address you take it. This entire thing you take it. Go to this place and then write here. What is our things now? So double slash is, what is this now? Double slash is student. Yes. Marks 1 dot what? CSV. CSV. So this is printing the DF. Printing the DF. Got it. Are you following? Now I want to go for line graph means what? Between two coordinates. X-axis values I need, Y-axis values I want. So I want to take up some names of the students. Names of the students. For example, I want to take these values, for example. 4 values I want to take. 5 records I want to take it. 5 records I want to take it. How do you take 5 records? df of, I will take it. Say 0 colon what? df of df dot loc of 0 colon what? 5. 0 colon 5 will give you what? So these things are going to come 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Because LOC includes what? Both. This rules and regulations, you already know that. So I need not to write again and again the same thing. Of what I am taking? Name. I am taking name. Okay? Name. This is going to give you what? Only names. Next, I want to write what? In the maths marks I want to take. Between the names and then maths marks, I want to draw the graph. Understand? So how do you write it? This is called one value. One more is called what? Same thing. I will take it as what here? I will take it as what here? Maths marks I am going to write it. Maths marks I am going to write it. Two different values I am having. Here I am having 0 to 4 and here I am having these values. Now I want to draw the graph. Draw plot line graph. Plot what? Line graph. For what? Names and what? Marks. Names and marks. How do you write it? I will write it. PLT dot plot of what I'm taking? Names. Names I want to take it. Happily you take it. It is called some set of values. Comma what? df dot like this I will take it. Before plotting, think about it. Are you able to follow? So this, if you look at that, what is happening, you just see. What is happening, you just see. These are called marks. Marks I'm taking. These are called what? Names. Still, if you follow me, here I'm going to write it. The overall together, if I take it, the overall together, if I carry this is my data. This is my data. Complete program I am writing here. Get this point. And here I am writing PLT dot 0 to 4 name. I'm writing PLT dot what? X label. X label of what? Student names. Student names. Next is called what? PLT dot what? Indentation. PLT dot Y label. Y label of what, ma? Maths marks. Maths marks. And now I will say PLT dot what? Show. Indentation you will take. Indentation you will take. Student? Yes. Right, students. Now here I am going to talk about the details now. You try to see this now. What is happening? Student names are coming. Maths marks are coming. Now I am getting. Who is the persons are getting more marks? One is called Ramesh is getting almost parallel to what? 900 marks above. And almost getting what also? One more student is called Rosam. And Raji is getting less marks. And Kalyan is getting again what? More marks. Are you able to follow? So between the comparisons, if you want, I can go for this type of line graph. Are you following me? Like so, like this. Not only this, any of the other marks also you can take it. So two columns are required. Each column is called what? you see, mom. This is known as what here? Names values. This is called which values? Maths values. I'm seeing that by seeing that who is getting more marks. A layman can say Rosam is the top, and the next is called what? Ramesh is also on the top. And rest of the people are in where? Rajesh is low, Raji is low, and other people are in the peaks. So first Ramesh, Rosam, and then next is called what? Kalyan. Like that, we can go for it. Line properties, everything, line color, everything, bullets, markers, MEC color, MFC colors, that I need not to tell you daily. Okay, students? Now, I will go to next. Somebody asked about total marks versus students. Total marks. Total marks, you know how to calculate now? Total marks. How do you calculate total marks? Tell me just for a minute. DF of total is equal to DF of that entire story. That entire story. Telugu, Telugu. And next is called what? Plus I will write it. Let me copy this. So this part already we done so many times. What is this now? English. So take care. Don't write spelling mistakes. Next is called what, ma? Hindi. Hindi I will write it. Next, maths. DF of what? Maths. So I'm writing maths here. So I'm writing here maths. And next I'm writing here Sanskrit. Next is what? Social studies. Social studies. So like this. If you print a DF, if you print a DF, so you got it. You got it like this. So total marks also got it or not? Yes. Now I want to go for drawing the totals. Totals versus what? Names. Simply direct attack. Directly we will go for this. So here I will go for, here I will go for what? I will take it. Here I am writing. Same thing. Names and what? Totals. Total marks. And here the same thing. And this I should not carry. Why? Because if I do once again, it will get freshly. So DF is already containing this data or not? So I got it. I added and that only I want to take it. Line graph 0 to 4 and this one I am writing. Student names and then what? Total marks. Total marks. Total marks. Total marks. So name and then what I will write? Total. Yes. Now, ma, ma. Now I understood. Now you are perfect in. Now I got a confidence on you. Now you are good in NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Python is a little difficult because coding is more, na. So I understand you don't like coding well. See, students, in order to understand this in easy manner, the beauty behind is Python only. Data science also you will easily you will learn it. Keep my words in the mind. 100% will become data scientist provided we learn algorithms, data science level. Now see this now total students, you are getting 360 something like this you are having. Are you following me? Now I want to go for what? And something I am showing here. See this carefully. Complete names. I don't want to go for what? Complete what? Colon colon. Colon colon and colon colon says what? All names. And what is this now? Colon colon comma. What is that called? All the total marks. Student names versus what? Total marks. I think you are understanding. Colon colon means what? Modubavulu. Row beginning, row ending, row step, default step. So మీరంతా ఎక్కడనో ముద్దుబాబులు మీరంతా. Formula sheet here. LOC, here you see. Row start, row stop, row column. Column name one, column here, column name. Row start, row stop, row step. No starting row, no ending row, no step. What is the column name? Names. No starting, no ending, total marks. Done. So coming to the point back, you go to this level and try to see. And no doubt in that, when I run this code, you are going to get it. No? Close square bracket for LOC of this one. Huh? Okay. Now try to see. Now error is coming. So here we are going to get it. NumPy as what? ND array. It is coming in the form of ND array. Now here I am going to take up. Here I am going to take up. ND array it is coming. You can convert into what? List. Just to follow me. I will convert it. Names I am taking. Names I am taking. DF of what I am taking. Total I am taking. Just see this now. Are you following? DF of name will give you what? All the names. DF of total will give you what? All the totals. All the totals will give and then run it. And here names will come very close to each other. Names will come very close to each other. If I enlarge my Jupyter notebook in the bigger screen, if I go for it, see my totals. And these names are going to contain what? All related to clumsy it is coming. But if I go for bigger in limiting that y-axis, x-axis, you'll be getting it. Are you following me? The total is called what? Maximum is called what? 480. Even in my totals also, if you take it, if you go for the totals of few people only, few people's totals only, can take it. But all these names are going to be called what? Mixing to each other. So there it is going to be, if I take into this case, I hope this is the totals done now. Not done. Let us go to this place, carry this thing. This place you carry, that the names are going to come to close to each other. If you take it, what I will write it here, say here, here also you write it. What is this indicates? What is this indicates? All rows, all columns. Now you say what? Comma. And next is what? First you test it, students. Like this you test it. Later I will plan for that. 1 minute, students. If you don't exit, you don't worry about it. So now I'm going to take up. What are coming? Names are coming. Next, similarly, what I will get it? Come on. Total, I am going to get it. Total, I am going to get it. So this, both of them are coming. Now I'm going to use it what? Here I'm going to use it what? 2 colon 2 2 I am writing. You are going to get like this. Suppose if I am writing like this, you are going to get like this. Comma. Comma you say. 3 like this I am getting. Here also colon colon 3. I am getting what here? Like this we are getting. Come on. Now this parts I'm going to apply in this place. Draw the plot for this and to see the totals and their names. There I will write it. This part I will take it. And moreover, you test once students what is the type of it. What is the type will come? Type of. You just get it. Type is called what? Data frame is coming. Data frame is coming. Are you following me? Data frame is coming. So this part data frame contains what? Two things are there. And out of this, what I want to get it? Out of this data frame is coming. So here I want to get it. Out of this entire thing, I'm writing what? Name. Just I'm writing. You are getting what? Out of that entire frame, I'm getting series. This is called. You test it. Type of. Type of. This you test it. What is this type? It is called a series. Carefully you need to do it. Are you getting me? Similarly, this is also what type we tested, ma. Type of. Type of. I hope you are following me. See, this is not a verifying or something data frame. For that, what are you doing again? Test it. There is no hurry at all. So always works like a intelligent analytics student. What is this now? Total. Total, I am saying. This is going to be called what? Like this. Say what type of series. Type of series. Now this is the data. Understood? This part, I will take it. Go forward. This data, you take it. This part, you take it. This part. No hurry at all. You take it of this entire thing. You write it in this place. Where is it? In this place. Remove that. This is one thing, comma. What is that? This entire thing. There is no hurry at all. So relaxly you try to do the things. Okay, na? It is not all of sudden buttifying and coming and just jumping in the class. No, you have to understand with intelligence. Okay. Now see that you are getting like this. See that we are having Ramesh, Raji, and Kombli, Knox, Kalyan, and Rajesh. So who is having the highest marks? Kombli. Kombli is having the highest marks. You know, highest marks. How do you find the highest marks? Also, you can find by going to this place. By going to this place. Here you are going to apply. What are you doing? Dot what? Max. Dot max. What is that? Yes, 406. Max you applied. And that 406 is nothing but you already seen 406%, 406%, 420. Row sum is also coming. But we applied what? Colon 3 now. In that colon 3 place, who is having? Right. Combly is having that. So 406. This is the values we are getting. Colon 3 now. These are the values we are getting it. Like that. These are the values we got it. Are you following? This is the place, how you gone to that place. And like this, you can apply and you can evaluate. So at any cost, whatever the question is given, you can happily do that with our pandas libraries and matplotlib. Shall I move forward? Students in online, I hope you are following me. Now I'll move to the further. Now I'll move to the further. This place, with this kind of thing, you are understanding about how to draw the line graph. Okay now? Fine. And I already said some examples for you already in the classroom. And I will post it. This also you try for it. So Akshay's January month sleep and weight this is. You also try to do it. I will post this entire problems. Try to do it. Now I'll move to the next kind of graphs. What is the next graph? Bar plot. Bar plot. What is the bar plot? Bar plot. First of all, do you know how bar plot looks like? So if we go to the place, here I am writing images of bar plot, images of bar graph. You just see this images of bar graph. Are you seeing these images? Are you seeing this image bar plots like this? So this type of bar plot I want. This is called which bar plot? Vertical bar plot. Spell out. If it is called what, this type of bars will be coming. This type of bars, that is called what? Horizontal bar graph. There is one more bar graph also I want to tell you. Stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph. I'll tell you that examples. Carefully try to follow. Shall we move to that? Let's go. Students in online, let us move to the bar graph now. So this is about, let me go for examples of line graph with a graph with a data frame, So this is done. I'll send you this HTML format kind of thing. I just downloaded yesterday like this. I just uh, something save as this as what HTML I said. PDF I want to send actually, but some people may be not having Acrobat reader. That time they will say, sir, not opening. Browser will be compulsory available with everybody now. That's why I said you can save it in the form of what also, PDF also, no problem. Okay, students. Anyway, I can send it. Anyway, I can send it. So that saving part you take care. Now I'm going to the next stage. Next stage you take it. Notebook. Coming to this area, go to which example now? Bar graph. So examples on bar graph, bar graph. Straightforward. Go to that same to same kind of importings. All sorts of importings you take it. Now I am taking for safety, for future purpose. I will take what? NumPy as what? NP also. NP also. Now I'm going to take it. First one, example number one. Example number one. What I'm taking, some x is equal to, some x is equal to. Now I'm taking A. Next I'm taking B. Next I'm taking C. Or next I'm taking D. Next I'm taking D. So C and D. Next I'm taking D. Or instead of A, B, C, D, I will take it as what, apples. Next I will take it as kiwis. Kiwi. Kiwi. Next I'm taking it as what? Strawberry. Strawberry. Next I will take it as what, something like this I took it. Mango, na? Mango. Mango. Mango, like this. Okay, ma. Now I will take it. I purchased apples of what? 40 apples I purchased it. Kiwis I purchased, for example, 20. Strawberry purchased around 35. 35. Mangoes I purchased 23. 5. Let it be. These are all called my quantities. This is used for what? Bar graph. Actually, students, any graph can be used for representing statistical information. But if you keen of observation, if you keep it, which graph to select, you will understand. Apples, how many quantities, and then kiwi, how many quantities, strawberry, how many quantities, mango, how many quantities. For example, I want to take in 2024, in 2023, your college placed a CSC, how many students, CC, how many students, and like that placement chart I want to show. Line graph is not that much best. Which is the best? Bar graph. Take your unit test exam, your academic exams. As a child, when you are in school, unit test 1, unit test 2, quarterly, half yearly, like that. And how the parent can view your performance in the form of bar graph or in the form of what? Vertical bar graph or horizontal bar graph. How they are giving? So in the form of what? This you go for it. TIOBE. So go to this place. Taking here something like this. Take it as TIOBE, TIOBE index. TIOB index you take it. Here there is a statistical times. There is a statistical times, or I will take it in the beginning only. You just go for it. In this place, you just see students. In this case, the popularity of the Python language and coming to this place. And what this is called a graph or not? Which graph it is? Line graph. So 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006, they are giving. They are giving, see that symbols. What this is called? Legend. Legend. So now coming to this place, in the below one, maybe giving some sort of graph or something. They did not give it. And go to this place here after finishing this. In this place, some statistical times. So any website is available. Statistics times somewhere else. Statistics times I shown you in the beginning days. And popularity of Python in India and etc. You see what is this now? Horizontal bar graph. Vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph. Like this, I want to go for it. Bar graphs, I want to go for it. Understood, students? Let us move to the further to this subject. Now I want to go for bar graph. What is the bar graph function? Line graph function is what? Plot. Plot. What are the parameters? PLT dot plot of x comma y comma marker comma MEC comma MFC comma MS comma C color comma LS comma LW comma like that. Label is equal to comma like this. These are all for legend purpose. Right. These are all things done. right? Rather than remembering only plot, you have to remember about complete syntax. Today, to draw the bar graph, to draw the bar graph, to draw the bar graph, we use what function? Come on. Yes, draw graph. We use function name. What is that? Bar of. What is the minimum functionality? X comma Y. Later I will tell you other parameters. Width, color, all those things I will explain. One by one I will explain. Come on, students. PLT dot bar of X comma Y. X comma Y. By default, Apple will get one apple color, kiwi color, etc. color will be coming. By default, one color only will come. If you want, you can set the color by yourself, your own color for each bar you will get it. What is this now? PLT dot show. PLT dot show. You are getting this type of bar graph. Are you able to understand? So I'll just reduce it. This is called bar graph. What is this? Apples, kiwi, strawberry, mango. Is it called something like this is showing or not? Now, these are all contains which kind of graph? Same type of colors are there. By default, it is taking what you know. 0.8 is the width. 0.8 is the width. By default, it is taking 0.8 is the width. And height is nothing but this already you are mentioning or not? Height is nothing but what? Number of purchases you are doing it. Are you following, students? Simple. Now I will go to somebody want to show the sales. Sales of laptops, sales of laptops, sales of tabs, sales of mobiles, sales of electronic devices which are in the shop. I can show in the form of what? Bar graph. Correct? Now, students, follow me. I am writing here color is equal to something like yellow, yellow. Color is equal to yellow. What is that? Color is equal to yellow. Yellow. Okay, color is equal to yellow. All the bars will come in which color? So yellow color. Are you getting or not? Yellow color. So unable to see the color. Huh? So now I will write it what? Cyan. Some color you can pass cyan. Like this you can pass. All colors are internally having some sort of numbering also there. Some number also will be there. In HTML, they used to say color numbers. And don't remember all these things, waste of time. So you go for what? Cyan plus what? Red. Something I'm testing, I'm experimenting. I'm not sure that what will happen. Error will come. So don't go now. So now go to where now? So something like you say what? Lime. So you go to lime. This is also called one lime. So like that you can go for what? Light blue, light blue. So, okay. Space, light blue. This is also coming. You go for what? Dark blue. Already you tested. And don't be happy by seeing these colors. Colors is not any color seeing, and if you believe now, you will be out of order. See the content. That is an important. Okay. For good looking purpose, I took this type of thing. Actually, it is not dark blue looking. It is looking some different color. Color is not an important. Content is important. Okay, students. Now, don't waste your time on that area. Come to that now. Next, I want for everything different colors. Come on now. C is equal to COL is equal to color is equal to colors is equal to apple is in which color? Come on, red. Next, kiwi is in which color? Huh? Green. మీకు ఏం రాదు అసలు. So something I am writing, students. You don't worry. Brown. I also. Strawberry is what? Ma? Red. Something I'll write it. Red, pink. If it is coming, you are lucky. Otherwise, out. Next, mango. Yellow. Yellow. And what I will write it? Color is equal to colors. Colors. Okay, student. I will write it. Yellow. Colors. This colors I am assigning to whom? Color. It is assigning first value, first color, second value, second color like that. So we are going to get it. Red, pink. Who said that? Right imposition. No? Hot pink, huh? Okay. Hot pink. Okay. Happy. Got it. Different colors. Got it. Now I will go to one more type of thing, right? Don't be happy by seeing the colors. No. Colors, come on, next time we're going to write it. Width is equal to 0.3. 0.3. 0.3 reduced. Earlier is a big 0.8. Now I reduce to 0.5. Now you can say something like, 0.5. 0.5, little bigger one. Understood that? 0.8, as good as similar to the previous only. As good as similar to the previous only. Right or not? Of course, nobody will ask this width how much. Nobody will ask in interview what is the function for that. But as a student, you have to remember the parameters. That is an important. Go to the place. Width is equal to, I am writing something like 0.5. Okay. Next I am going to write it, students. Next I am going to write it. Okay. Up to that you understood. This part is done. Now I am going to take up. Here I am going to take up. Here I will write it. What I am going to say. Labels also I want to write it. Labels. Labels I am writing. Labels. What is the label here? I am going to take it. Come on, what is this now? Apples. Apples. Come on, next what? Kiwis. Kiwis. Next is what? Strawberries. So, strawberries. Next is what? Mangoes. Mangoes. Will it come on? Mangoes. Next, mangoes. What I will write it? Label is equal to labels. L. Labels. Labels. Okay. After that, what? PLT dot what? Legend. Legend. Legend of. So, see that. What will happen? Legend. Legend is coming. What is coming? Legend. Legend which side? Legend which side, students? Upper right, upper left. Because wherever there is a space, our environment will do. You don't try to write your own legend location. LOC, center, center right, left. You don't try to write it. Are you following me? This is about what? Parameters. What are the parameters? Color, width, labels. Done. Okay now? This is one example. Next, let me go to the another example. Want to go for this is called which graph? Bar graph. As usual, vertical bar graph. Bar graph, no, vertical bar graph. Bar graphs are three types you say. Number one, vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph, stacked bar graph. Now I will go for stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph I want, oh sorry, horizontal bar graph I want to go for it. Simple. What is the bar function? Bar of. What I will do today? Bar h. What are the parameters of bar h? First bar you take it. What are the parameters, ma? X, Y, color, width, label. Now you are getting here. Now coming to bar h. Width will not be there for that. What will be there? Height will be there. Height, width will not be there. Width when it comes to horizontal, it will become height. Height of the bar. Okay, students, one by one I will show you. First you try to worry about it. First you try to take up this part you take it. What I will write it now? Bar H I will write it. Keep this aside. Colors also keep it aside. Later I will add to that. Now see this now. Bar H. Legend also try to remove. Legend also try to remove. Here I am going to write it. So you are going to get what? Horizontal bar. Horizontal bars will be coming. Able to follow? Now similarly you go forward. Slowly you go forward, students. Go to that. Online students, my dear students, coming to this place. Now increase it, add slowly. What is this now? Come on. Color is equal to, take your color. Color is equal to what, something like, hot pink, hot pink. If you are unable to see the color, close your eyes immediately. So hot pink is coming. Next, I will go for what? After that, what I will say? Height of the bar. Height, not width student. What is this now? HEIGA. Height is equal to what? Something like, 0.5. You just take it. 0.5 you take it. Are you able to get it or not? This is having some sort of height. This is also something reduced it. Getting students? Well, go to next last and final called what? Colors. Colors also, if you want, you can take the colors also, no issue. So I will write it now. Color is equal to, I will write it directly here, hot pink. And I'll say directly here. Can I write directly now? Yes. So what is this now? What is this next? Mango. Mango is called what? Yellow. So it is, I hope, assigning from this place only. Red. Next is called what? Beginning onwards, red. Next is called what? Brown. Brown. Next is called what? Hmm. Hot pink. And next is what? Yellow. Yellow. So like this, I took it. Close. This is a close list. Yes. Close list students. Height is equal to some extra bracket, close it. Understand students? Now here we are getting particular kind of thing. Are you able to get it now? Now, students, I want to go for legends also I want to go for keeping. But the legend students, labels is equal to, tell me, apples, apples, comma what? Kiwis, next, strawberries. So I will write it now, strawberries. And next is called what? Mangoes. So done like this and close, right or not? And I will say what now? PLT dot legend of. Legend of. I said this. I said this part. So here I am going to take up. You are going to get it. Something went off. Labels. Labels. Yes. Spelling mistake. Labels. I'm correct only, na? Label only. Label. So you are going to get it. Label, not labels. In our code, labels is written. If we write anything wrong, just check it out. Check it out, students. So you got it. Label only. And legend is written and particular details will be coming. Okay, now students. This is about what? Come on. Well, now I am going to take it both vertical and horizontal. Let us go to the another example here. Be careful. Now I am going to enter into the stacked bar graph. Are you okay? What the stacked bar graph says? Same thing. Suppose, for example, in the year 2020, in the 2020 year, the so and so XYZ college, this is called one bar, this is one bar. So don't worry about that. This is called a bar. In that bar, I'm going to take up. This is called what? CSC placements. CSC placements. On the top of what placements? IT placements. On the top of it, I want to show you what? Something like ECE placements I want to show you. ECE placement. Stacking. Stacking means what? Arranging one on the top of another one. Stacking. You know stacking? Arranging one on the top of H stack, V stack, D stack, H stack, so many stacking I said. Same thing like. So this type of in 2020, what will be the stacking? I want to go for. In 2021, what will be the placement of this each and everything? I just want to go for it. How to go about it? That is our concept today. Shall I move further? Forward? Yes. Let us move to the stacked bar graph. So let us take a different one. So there I want to show you. Online students, I hope you are following me. Examples on what is this now? Stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph it is going to come. So see this now, students. Examples on stacked bar graph. As usual, you take it beginning, that importing properties you take as usual. So you are taking this importing things. Well, take it as it is. So students, now you are getting it. Now I am taking students, one important data I'm going to take up. What is the important data I'm taking? Take some data. Drawing what? Drawing what? Stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph. Now I am taking year. One year I am taking. Years I am taking. 2020, 2019, 2019, 2020, and 2021, 2021, 2022, 2022. Okay. Let it be 20, only 4 years I want to take it. Let it be no problem. Na? Like this, I will take it. Next, I'm going to take it what? Some more students. CSC, I will take it. CSC are number of placements. So something like placements. Placements is equal to in the year to 2019. Some assume that 150 placements. Under 2020, 2020, 120 placements. Next 2021, 115 placements. And 2022, 125 placements. This is the data what I have. So you can just draw this type of what? Bar graph also. So you can draw simply PLT dot draw PLT dot bar of what is that? Year comma placement. Placement. You can just say placement. Placements. You see this. So you will be getting PLT dot what? Show off. So you will be getting the placements details. Placements details 2021 and this one is not much difference is there. You just try to take it. Unready you take it. Unready you take it. Or you take it because of Corona time. People are not going to interviews. So let it be. It is say 115. 115. So let us take this data. This is the data what we have. Are you following students? Now this is the data what we have. This part here, this is okay. And now I'm going to take out not simply bar graph. In that place now, CSC is how many students are there in that particular. This is a bar now. First one is bar or not. In that bar, some partitions I want to keep it. Some partitions. This is CSC. This is called IT. This is called what? ECE, for example. ECE I want to. That is called stacking. So how we are going to that stacking? CSC placements are out of 150, some 70. Next is called something like in which year 2019, one out of 150 people, 70 people are CSC. Next is called in 2020, out of 100, it is called something like 40. And the next is called out of 2021, 115 students, it is called something like 60. And in 2022, the number of people are called 80. For example. For example. Next is called what ECE IT students, IT students are taking something like what? 30, 30, and next is called some 20, and the next is called something like some 25, and next is called another one is something like 35. This is about what? IT. And don't try to think this 70, 30 adding this. Some non kind of people also selected. Don't think that adding this and don't ask me, sir, it is not matching. I'm not going to taking that. Next is called what? ECE is equal to something like I'm saying something 20. And next is called something like some 19 and something like I'll take it 20 and the next I'm going to take it some 18 I took it. This is my data. How many people's now? In the year 2019, 2019, this is the placement details. And don't ask me, this is 100, sir, 120, sir. And what about this rest of the people? Maybe some different branches and all those things, miscellaneous recruitments. Now I want to take up in this bar only. I want to say CSE. I want to say on the top of CSE IT I want to keep. On the top of IT I want to keep it as what? ECE. How do you write it now? That is my questioning today. For that I need to write it. How do you write it now? How do you write it now? If you write it PLT dot bar of PLT dot bar of what I'm writing? Something like, already what is available? Year is there, placements are there. What about the CSC? CSC I need to get or not? What is that now? I'm going to get it. Year and placement. What is the next one? CSC I want to get it. Are you able to follow, students? So I want to go for this kind of thing. There I am going to write it. 2019. This is a year is coming. Placements is coming. Now I want to go for CSC data. So I need to get it what? The CSC, IT and etc. I want to get it. How do you get this entire data is my questioning here. For getting this, I need to go forward. Stacked bar graph I will use. I can show the same thing like this also. 2019, here what I will say, this is called CSC. In the same place, this is called IT. And this is called what? This is called what? Grouped bar graph we can call it. Grouped bar graph. Grouped bar graph. Either this way, under one axis, under one x-axis value, I can show multiple things. In 2020, what you can see? I can say this one, I can say this one, I can say this one. This is called what? One group of values. Are you able to follow, students? So how to move forward for this? This is what I am going to write it. So I am going to write it in this place. I will write it something like this. How you can write it? Placement values I am going to take it. For this purpose, I'll say bar. I need to say what values to pass it now. Year I need to pass it. Year I need to pass it. Year I am passing. What are the next values I am passing? CSC. CSC I am passing. And next I am passing what, width is equal to, or you just run like this. First you try to run this. What is happening? 2019, this entire bar is what? CSC it is showing 70. Are you getting? Width is also let it be as it is. There you are getting. After that CSC is over. Next, what should I do? In that CSC, what should I do? On the top of CSC, this is CSC or not? On the top of CSC, what should I do? I'll go for what? IT. On the top of IT, I need to go for what? PC. How do you go for it? Come on, be careful. Now I am writing. Here I am writing plt.csc. Now I am writing CSC. Now I am writing IT. I am writing. Here I am writing IT. Here I am writing bottom is equal to CSC. I am writing. CSC I am writing. Bottom is equal to what? CSC. Ante year only you are taking. The bottom one should be represented what? CSC. On the top of CSC, what will be placed? IT. Did you understand? Come on, come on. Yes. See the answer now. We are going to get it what? This is comes under what? Come on. CSC. What is this is called? IT. By default, it is taking its own color, stacking. On the top of on the top, it is affecting to all the years. Getting? Now, what is this value here? What is this value? 60, 60, 70 or not? 70. So what is this now? 30, 30 people. What is this now? 70 plus 30. On the top of that 100 above. What is that? ECE. ECE. Are you getting? How to get that? That I'm going to write the looping now. Okay, this part you see. Come down. Here I am writing. Boys in the online. Are you comfortable now? Now I am going to write next. What is that now? PLT dot bar. What is this now? ER, comma, ECE. ECE is equal to ECE, comma what? Bottom is equal to, huh? Generally, IT plus CSE they will write, or IT they will write something like, but not like that. Now I will write one logic there. What is, just now I said, what is the CSE value? 70. 70 plus what? 30. It is on the top of what? 70 plus 30, how much Madhubavulu? 100. For which year? For 2020, same IC, CSE plus IT only now. So what should I do? How many years are there? 4 years. In 4 years, there is a CSE is there plus IT is there or not? How do you take it? Now I am writing the logic. You see, this is a question mark. I will come to that. After that, I am writing the logic for placing ECE on the top of IT. See, ECE start. But from where you are starting, ECE start point is equal to, now I am writing there, one for loop I will write it. List comprehension I am writing. What is it? See, for I in range of LN of year. LN of year. What a beautiful logic. LN of year. See, students. LN of year, how many? 4. But a range will take what? 0 to 3. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Okay. What is the first value coming? I value. What is the value of I? 0. 0. Which 0 I will take it? In that year, CSE 0 value. How much? 70. EC 0 value. IT 0 value. 30. How do you write it? CSE of I plus IT of I. IT of I. Are you following? For I in range of LN of year. How many years? 4. 4 years. Is it bracket closing? One more bracket. Yeah. Okay. What is the I value? 0. 0 to 4 means 0. CSC of 0, 70. Plus IT of 0, 30 plus 70. That is the starting point of 2019 EC starting point or not? Yes. Similarly, it is for what? Second year. CSC of 1, 40 plus IT of 1, 20. 40 plus 20. So 2020 starting EC point is 60. 60 means it is on the top of that. That is on the top of it. Are you following? This is a starting point. Okay, that I will write it here. This is executed. And what is this now? ECE underscore start. Are you okay? Okay. You are okay. Now see, got it. Once hairstyle is there, anything you can do it. Rubber band you can keep anywhere if there is a good hair is there. Good programming, anything you can take it. Okay now. Once for loop, once total Python, if you know, any way you can do it. Once you know trigonometric well, you can do anything. In trigonometry also linear algebra will come. If you write IIT advanced and all those things, anything can mix in anywhere. Correct? If you know all subject well, you can apply anywhere. If you try to swim in Bay of Bengal, you can swim anywhere. Correct or not? Yes, it is your talent. So coming to the point of it, Saurav is asking something else. Saurav is asking one more question. What is that? Difference between something he is asking files related question. Listed AIR and walk. Listed AIR already I said. Files he is asking, it's nothing to worry about it. Listed AIR will give you list of functions. Even the folders also will be shown as file name. To get the folders as file names, to get that files in the internal folder, we will use walk. Walk. Walk is called one function which will find subfolders files also. Okay. So coming to the point back, now I will move to the further. Next, I will go to what? I want to use my own colors. Can I use my own colors? Yes. Coming to the point, Saurav J. Right. Come to the point. Now what is this now? Is equal to. What is this now? Color is equal to. Come on, guys. Color is equal to. Color is equal to red. Okay. Always red to blue green, na? Color is equal to next. Color is equal to orange. Orange. Next, here I will write what? Color is equal to black. Huh? Purple. Purple. Let us show this. Let us show this. Now getting like this. Yes, something is entered in my class. Some animal is entered. So something students, you apply your color management, whatever you feel you say. Are you following this? Like this, you can apply. This is called which graph? Vertical stacked bar graph. Not like this. Something, if you are not knowing, you say like this. Go to the next. This is called static stacked bar graph vertical. Vertical. So next go to the, what is the next? Come on. Which one? Huh? Horizontal. Horizontal. Now, come on, apply your intelligence. Enter your intelligence. Something is, some doubt is coming. So, okay. Now go to that horizontal. Same thing. Go to that. What is the color? Red. These colors are not good. Go to what? Better to take color, I will remove. You take your own color management. You know how to apply the colors and everything now, students. Go to, now I will say color you remove. Now I am going to apply what? Bottom. What is this bottom equal to becoming? My dear student, when we could create this idea, create session that you utilize, I will create an idea. This is called like this. This a year will come or not? This is called what? CSC. CSC. This is called what I want? IT. IT left side emundi? CSC. This is called what? For IT, what is this is called? Left, left, vertical, bottom, horizontal, left, left is equal to what? CSC. Next here what? Left, EC underscore what? Start. Same logic. See this. Go to that. Huh? Bar H. Okay, correct. Yes. Bar H. Bar H. Good. You're having good knowledge. Bar H. Getting. Because you are enjoying the colors. That is the main ending. Python programming, what colors is there? Normal coding only. That's why. So I understand we should not explain normally. We have to explain with colors. People like colors well. So that's why come to the students. So are you able to understand? Are you able to follow now? So last time when student I was sitting 4 o'clock, he has written bar H instead of that. He has written both. He has written both. He's getting an error. And all the way he came from Kukatpalli to this place, online student, he came for a doubt clarification. Both, sir, I'm not getting, he said. All of a sudden, when I see, he is getting, he said like that, sir, unnecessarily. I did not see, sir, he said. So like that. So while doing small mistake, if you do, you'll get this error. Are you following this? Able to understand, students? So like that, you can go for applying on series data also, on what also, data frame data also, you can apply. Are you applying? Suppose Telugu marks is there. Telugu marks, on top of Telugu marks, English marks, like that also you can display. Are you able to follow? Right. So how many types of bar graphs? How many types of bar graphs? So number one is called what? Vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph, vertical stacked bar graph, horizontal stacked bar graph. So they will give you that. Now I am going to show you one small point I want to show. Here also legend also you can take, students. Legend also you can take. Last and final I will apply. Here I will go for this place. Legend also try to take it. So, students, you take it. Here I am writing. Where can I write it? So here I will write it. So here I will write it. Label. Label is called what? Computer CSC. CSC branch. Next I will write it what now? Comma. Label is equal to what? IT. IT. Next what I can write it? Label is equal to what? ECE. ECE. Now I will take it what? PLT dot legend. Legend of. I can write it. Legend of. So you are going to get it. So wherever there is a space is there, that is going to come over there. Are you following me? This is about which graph? Bar graph. So I will send you for your understanding purpose. I would like to go for some bar graph here. So in my place, so bar graph, somewhere else here, maybe go to this place. Matplotlib, bar graph, no. Go to this place, somewhere else. I was definitely keeping that. Bar graph here, under that bar graph, just for problem and everything I am just showing. The pictorial representation of grouped data in the form of vertical and horizontal rectangular bars, where the length of the bars are what? Equivalent. The four categories, four values, and equivalent both are equivalent to measure the data, are known as bar graph or bar charts. The bars drawn are of uniform width and a variable quantity represented on one of the axis, and also measure of the variables to be depicted on other axis, years and placements. It's simple. And the variable quantity, okay, that is done. The heights and heights are lengths. Heights in the case of what? Height in the case of what? Horizontal. Vertical in the case of what? Width. So the heights or length of the bars denote the values of the variable, and these are graphs also used to compare certain quantities. Frequency distribution tables can be easily represented using bar charts, and which simplify the calculations and understanding the data. Understand? So between 0 to 10 marks, how many people got? Between 10 to class intervals, na? Our 10th class level and all those statistics. Type of bars, vertical bar graph, horizontal bar graph. Only two I mentioned it, but I shown you more than that. Vertical bar graph, you know, horizontal bar graph, read out. Implementation of bar graph. PLT dot bar, x comma y. Width is equal to numerical value. Color is equal to color name. For which graph? Because width will come only for vertical. Next, bar h comma y, height. If you get a doubt about bar w or h, for h is concerned, height will come here. And next value, numerical value, color is equal to color names, will label name, etc. you seen in the example. Say, take this, one problem statement directly. In a firm, 400 employees, 400 employees are there in an organization. The percentage of monthly salary saved by each employee is given in the following table. Represent it through a bar graph. So 400 employees, savings 20%. Number of employees, how many? 105. And out of 400 people, 105 people are saving 20%. 199 people are saving what? 30%. 29 people are saving 40%. 73 people are saving what? 50. When you add all of them, I hope you are getting 400, I think so. 400, count it. It will come. Okay, you are doing counting, no problem. Take your calculator and do it. It will be coming. Okay, now others are waiting. Somebody will say, we will just finally will say. Okay, students. Next, go to what? Example 2. Draw a bar chart for year and a number of students placed. Just now I said, no? 2020, and 2021, 2022, 2023, something like this. Able to follow? Like that, you can take this kind of thing. This is one basic explanation I gave. And one more thing, a bar plot with the what syntax is given, bar function. What is this now? Bar dot, plt dot bar, x, height, width, align, color, label, complete. What x says, what height says, what width says, default is 0.8, what align says, what color says, what label says. Now here they gave category A, category B, category C, and corresponding values are 15, 24, 30. Three categories, three category of values. Bar graph in the list, values in the list. PLT dot bar, categories, values is values, color is equal to sky blue. Following this. Simple. Y label, X categories, and Y label. You know, X label, Y label, how to set. And this is called what? Basic vertical bar graph. Title also you are giving, show. Horizontal bar graph, what will come extra? What will come extra, students? Here I only bar H is written. Categories, values, only color. You can want, you can go for what? Height also you can represent. Special parameter is called what? Height. So this is values and categories. This also one more. Syntactically, this is giving more here. Are you able to follow, students? So this is about which kind of graph? Bar graph. So next, when I come back to next class, so it is now 10:31. Another graph I want to introduce, that is histogram. Histogram I will tell in the further class, and scatter plotter also. These are all very easy. And next is called pi. Pi. So these diagrams I will take up and try to work out this bar graph on our data sets also there. If you feel difficulty on Monday class, let me know that the bar related data frames I will tell. And histogram, scatter plotter, pie charts, if I complete it, our course will complete it. So big journey, NumPy, pandas, and all these things. Big journey in the coming week, and 3-4 days it will take these diagrams to discuss. Okay, don't miss coming 3 days or 4 days, and we are going to discuss. Okay now. So why all of a sudden become 3-4 days, sir? Daily 9 o'clock used to come. So histogram, Django. First, whatever subject I'm handling, you worry about it. So I will take up whatever subject is there. Instead of teaching 3 days, 4 days, completing everything, I almost said 2 months, almost near to 2 months, I was explained everything. Read well. This same thing, whatever I explained 45 days above, the people are conducting outside data analytics program, data analysis program for 25,000 rupees course fees. Download that content. In YouTube, a lot of advertisements are coming for you. Download every advertisement content. Every advertisement content you take our notes. Just to compare what is your content you are getting it. This is a part of your Python course only we are discussing. What is the course fees you paid? Only 6,000 for Python. And you are getting total Python, uncomparable, plus this also. What is the quantity and quality you are getting? You know. That's why students learn well. So within next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, our course will be completed. Don't miss the classes. Okay, students. Right. Thank you. Okay. Okay, ma Nirmala. Thank you. All the best, students. And I will upload this. Try to download this concept. Thank you. All the best. నేను చెప్తాను, లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని వెయిట్ చేయలేను కదా నా సైడ్. మిమ్మల్ని వెయిట్ చేయడం కూడా నాకు ఇష్టం. బాగా చెప్తా, నేను చెప్పను దాని గురించి, చెప్పింది చదువుకోండి బాగా. చెప్పింది చదువుకోండి, మనం చెప్తాలే అది కూడా, ఓకేనా? చెప్పింది చదువుకోండి, చెప్పండి దాని గురించి ఎందుకు కర్రీ అవ్వడం. శర్మ.
Good morning, sir.
మార్నింగ్.
Yes, sir. Sir, while studying NumPy, you said that there's one most important concept called broadcasting concept. So, are you
Broadcasting.
done with that?
Broadcasting thing that we already used in our class. Suppose, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is generally not possible with, suppose 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3 is there. This is not possible actually in the mathematics.
Okay.
This is possible in our NumPy by taking 1, 2, 3 as it is. How many columns are there here? 3 columns are there. 4 rows are. This value called 1, 3. Whatever is available there, whatever is available, this 1, 2, 3 is adding with every part of it. Is every part of it. Everything it is added.
Okay.
That is called what is called broadcasting concept, we can call.
Oh. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Get it, sir. Actually, this type of similar things we also see in complex data type while adding that. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Next, Rajesh Raj.
Hello, sir.
Rajesh, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible, please.
Sir, previously you have set the values of that bar graph to, sir. We can keep that from 0 to 120, 130 in
Your
y-axis.
your voice is little giving some noise to me.
So 1 second. Sir, now am I audible?
Now keep your mic little up and then speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, previously you have set the bar graph, sir. In that, we have taken the values from 0 to 120. Is there any possibility of taking the values in the way of step like 0, 5, 10, 15 to the top extent?
I already said the sticks, X sticks, you will use it.
Okay, sir, and please say about the bar length graph, sir. It is a bit complicated, I think. So,
What is that?
bar line graph, sir. We can the bars are consisting of a line which are plotting to each part.
Bar line graph.
Yeah, sir.
Huh?
Bar line graph, sir.
Bar line,
Yeah, sir.
I did not hear about bar line, actually.
I was seeing yesterday in YouTube about the graphs, so I got the view of that bar line graph, sir.
So I used to tell only these graphs, my dear student. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, Pushpanjali.
Hi, sir. సార్ అది నాకు ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ ఉంది సార్. అది మేము వెదర్ డేటాని ప్లాట్ చేసినప్పుడు కాంటూర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం సార్. అది ఆ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ నేను ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు సార్? అంటే సార్ సార్
వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ డౌట్స్?
సార్ అది మేము వెదర్ డేటాని ప్లాట్ చేసేటప్పుడు కాంటూర్స్ ఫామ్ లో చెప్తాం కదా సార్, కాంటూర్స్ ప్లాట్ చేస్తాము. అది మాకు డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ లో ఎక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది సార్? అదేమన్నా కొంచెం నాకేమన్నా సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారా సార్? అవును సార్, అవును సార్.
అది యూస్ టు GPS devices, you get that weather report of particular area.
అవును సార్, కానీ కాంటూర్స్ ప్లాట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు మనం లైన్ గ్రాఫ్స్ ప్లాట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా సార్, అలాగే మా డేటాతో మేము కాంటూర్స్ ప్లాట్ చేస్తాం కదా, దాని హెల్ప్ ఫంక్షన్ తో మనం ఏమైనా డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ రీడ్ చేయడానికి ఉంటుందా సార్?
Mm, just I will look into that. I will look
Alaగే
into
sir.
that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Any more doubts, students? Students, I hope no more doubts are there. So I will just log out and we will send you this entire data. Thank you, students. All the best.